What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back with another unboxing. This time it's something special. We getting into do the Birdman hand rub and stuff. we get into so a shoe unboxing. This is a shoe that as of this moment isn't released yet. I'm not as fortunate as everybody else. I don't usually get this kind of access, but you know, I got it this time. So you know, gonna flex a little bit, but what we're gonna do, the Nike Air Max 95 NRG. So see about the box. That's what we talking about right here. So these are like, oh, and then you know, see about the box here. You can see what we talking about right here. So these are I'm gonna say special edition, or is it a merger, or is it like a blend? Because these are the Air Max mixed with LeBron on the Laker colors. So, boom. So you got that Laker color. You got the 95 Air Maxes with that Laker color pattern, and I like the fact that it's that black and red. You know, dark. The Mamba got the LeBron's symbol right there. The Nike Air. This has to be collab. Has to be collab. So it's kind of no question there. So what's dope about this shoe is like it's all like a different color and blend. I like the pattern. What I can kind of do without, but that's what make the shoe unique. If you see how it goes from like that deep purple to this kind of purple to a lighter purple, kind of almost like a lavender, but that's what make the shoe unique. You know, then you go inside, got the LeBron logo right there. Check that out on the bottom. Check that on the bottom right there. The two. I didn't even notice that until I showed it to you on camera. The two, but down here, if you didn't catch it, it says, you know, so SGF, second, two-time gold medalist, rookie of the year, Nike year, scoring title, 6 all-time defensive, first in playoff points all-time, third all-time in points, LBJ. So LBJ on the back. So that's one. Bam, get the other side. Again, I don't really usually like shoes like that blend like this, but hey, man. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with the Laker colors, man. So same kind of detail, just backwards with the yellow. What I did notice is they got the 2 on here, 3 on this end, and it probably follows suit. 3, boom. And then on the bottom, you have 4-time NBA champ, 4-time NBA and Finals MVP, 16-time All-Star, 13-time first team, 4-time MVP, 3-time All-Star. Same thing, you know. It says SFG and SF, yeah, SFG on them. It's probably something is a real self-explanatory. And then you look at them side by side. That's dope. That's dope. Back. And so can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with these, bro. Can't go wrong with these. Unless you just hate the Lakers. You hate LeBron. There's a lot of them out there. Man, so man, this is a dope pickup for me, you know. I'm happy to have them in hand. Again, man, appreciate y'all for tapping in to me always. You know, I'm not like the regular, you know, normal sneaker channel, but you know, I'm not gonna give y'all the glorious shots and all that, but it's my channel, you know. So that's what we do. I'm just sharing. These definitely gonna stay in the closet. These definitely not a not asking y'all if I should keep it or not, man. We gonna keep these. But till the next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm on the DMAC.